Hey, what's going on, boys? Sean or Moostang 09 bringing you another video of my Mustang. Today is an exciting one. Just like last week, this one's super exciting because we're going to the dyno again. This is trip number 2 for dyno tuning, and then we get some numbers on the car and see what she's gonna make. The magic number is 600. I've always said if I can make between 6 and 650, I'll be stoked. But 600 is the number that I want to get. My neighbor Mike, a few houses down, made 617 on his Whipple. So if we can beat him, I'm good with that. I'm good with that. That's all I'm going to say. But if you haven't seen the last video, check that out up above. We made a pool to 6,000 RPMs, made 533 horsepower. We're at 14 degrees of timing, and we are running 93 octane. So no E85 as of right now, just 93. Today's weather is really, really nice. We had a cold front come in, so that's gonna help. But the dyno is supposed to adjust for that, and it's a Dynocom dyno for those wondering. But enough talking. Let's get this girl over to the dyno and get to tuning. Where do you see that at? Oh, up top. Holy cow. Oh, you went further out?
Yeah. Well, I was hitting
65?
I was hitting the speed limiter before.
Yeah. Oh, that's right, because the speed limiter was at 145. So it's not at 145 anymore, but you guys can tell. 620, 525. Stretched it out a little bit further. Alrighty guys, we just made 620 horsepower, 500 and what was it, like 530 torque or something like that, which I'm ecstatic about. I do need to make note that I'm not chasing numbers here. My heart is at the drag strip, so whatever number I run in the quarter mile is when I'll be excited. But to see 620 is huge because the last time I was on this dyno, I made 401. And for those curious, this is a Mustang dyno, but it has Dynocom software and system that reads it. For whatever that matters, I know a lot of guys care what kind of dyno it's on. But yeah, 2 runs in, super stoked. I don't think we're going to try and chase the number too much more. We want to keep the motor safe. Once again, it's a stock Gen 1. But I think we're loading up another tune, try and just make it a little smoother, and I think we'll be good. Plenty of daylight left today, so I'll be able to go make a few rips in it. I'm super excited. I feel weird talking in there, but yeah, super stoked, man. So it did 617 that run, and then it made like 6.25 pounds, but it did 617 and 524.
Second gear, got swirly. Taco Bell. Yeah, it's so sick. Yeah. Appreciate it. Yeah. It is cold out. We had a cold front last night. It's 50 degrees out right now. Bag secured, gonna head to the house, chomp that down, then we'll finish out this video.
Finishing it up where we started, boys, we are back in the garage, and man, am I proud of this girl. She made 620 horsepower on the dyno. So sorry about Mike, my neighbor down the street. He had 617, so sorry about you, bro, but we got you beat. We're the fastest car on the block right now. Good luck. That's all I'm gonna say. Don't challenge me, bro. I'm so pumped. Being excited is a huge understatement. This is a goal of mine since I was like 15 years old and the first Fast and Furious came out. I've always wanted to boost one of my own cars and do it myself. And while I like to say I did it myself, I did it with a great group of friends. So many people helped out, from Chase and Joey and Trey to really lending a hand in the garage and helping me out with everything. If you haven't watched the build series, go do that. We did a lot more than just install a turbo kit. We did oil pump gears, we took the transmission out, dropped the oil pan, did a clutch, did a cage, did all kinds of stuff, did seats. It was definitely a journey. More people to thank. We had Taylor from the On3 Facebook page group, huge help, lots of information. Marcus, he was on there. Jacob's on there. Brad and Dylan, they helped me weld some stuff up for this kit. Obviously my tuner Josh, for overlooking at everything before we threw it on the dyno and helping me fix some things. I'm sure I'm forgetting some people. Mike, obviously, down the street, he helped. He had a lot of tools and was just over and hanging out in the garage, and he helped lend a hand when we were doing the transmission stuff. So just so much going on, man. So many people. My buddy Trevor from Motion Auto TV, he was here when we did the first startup. He helped me route the wastegates and everything and make sure I didn't blow the car up. So thanks to Trevor for that. And then obviously a huge thank you to my wife for letting all this happen. Like without her and her support, probably wouldn't have done this. So thanks, babe. I do appreciate you. And Miss Shirley Bell, she was always in the garage wanting to lend a hand and be in the videos. She's super cute. But yeah, that's my long list of thank yous to everyone. I really, really do appreciate everyone's help. And if I left you off, I do apologize. But yeah, that's it for this video. 620 horsepower. Let the tracks open up. Get this coronavirus out of here. I'm so sick of it. I'm tired of being locked down. I just can't wait to go race again. So I'm pumped. I am super excited, boys. I guess that's going to do it. I don't know what else to say besides I'm excited. So I'm rambling. If you haven't, follow me on social media, Instagram and all that, Twitter. Would love to see you over there. I post pictures of the car and some information before it gets out to YouTube. So if you want to see some stuff early, go follow me over there. All the links will be in the description, and all the mods for this car will be down in the description below as well. So if you have any questions, feel free to hit the comment section or just scroll through those list of items. But other than that, it's been your boy, Sean, or Mustang 09, and we'll catch you boys back here next time. Take it easy. Peace. Thank you.